What it is, man? It's your boy, Dr. PNG. We are back at it again. We got another one, man. Today, we are here with...
It's lovely, dude.
You already know the vibes, man. Today, we brought back another one. I wanted to do the ND filter today, all right? Once again, natural light photography, shooting with the Sony A7R V and the 24-70 2.8 lens. Last time, we had a crazy shoot. We were at a pool, and we were on top of, like, whatever that thing was. It was actually pretty insane. If you have not watched that video, definitely go back and check that video out. But today, I'm not using any flash, anything like that. I'm only using natural light. So maybe a little bit of squinting here, squinting there, but we're trying to find shade wherever I can, but do anything to get that shot. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, well, I think they definitely are. Cause I'm trying to think, like, how's it gonna look like shooting down the rocks, like that's how it would have to be.
That little crab.
Oh yeah, he looks smushed, but he's not though. All right, I'm gonna do right here. Maybe your butt's here and your feet are like out this way, so I can get all that in the background. This kind of flag, man-made flag, kind of cute. So maybe like this in the background, yeah, there, boom. Is the rocks hot? Like a bad hot? It's slipping? All right. There you go, yeah, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, that's cute. Bring that foot back more, yeah. Yeah, there you go, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, that's cute. All right, ooh, I really like this a lot. Okay, maybe you turn your body this way. Yeah, don't hurt yourself. Yeah, this like that. There we go. Hold, yep. 3, 2, and turn the hat backwards, y'all. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, one more, 3, 2, and 1. Hand to the hair a little bit, or the head. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Take that same hand and put it to your chest. Yep, hold it. And now look over at me a little bit. Yep, and 1. That was good. All right, this spot, cross that off the list. Over here, this tree, feet are planted here. Maybe your leg, arms here, and something like maybe this. Oh! Whoa, he's like real.
Oh, look at those two.
Oh, there's a lot of them right here, bro. Whoa, that's crazy. Bro, you see the big one right here? Look right here. Bro, what the hell? I gotta look over there.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Bro, he be getting hit by that sun for sure. That head is on fire. Boy, them holes are the home. What the hell? All right, this gives real Puerto Rico, don't know where the hell we're at, island vibes for sure. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, there you go, 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Get the entirety of the scenery. Lock in, Jules. There you go, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. I don't want you standing there too long, you get snipped. Hold it, yeah, 3, 2, and 1. And 1. Now like, oh yeah, leave your hand there. All right, there you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Both hands up to the, up on the tree. Yeah, like that, and then release your, like, yeah, like that. There you go, hold. Yes, bro, this is hard. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. And 1. Don't move. I'm gonna get like a side angle of you. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, come more like this way. Yep, it is. Lock it in more.
Where am I going?
Back to the tree though. Like maybe like you're standing on this rock, and then you put your hand like to your side like that. And yeah, like that. Yep, hold, 3, 2, 1. Yep. Yeah, there you go. And 1. Hold it. There you go. All right. Now come here and do it from like up here. Oh wow. And then they're gonna be straight.
Oh, I'm going to under there.
Yeah, you're gonna be straight. Come on. That's why they want to stay off the rocks. No, go back over there. Go back one.
Wait.
There you go. Now put your hand on the thing. Okay. And lean. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Hand on your body. Yep. Look to your right. Hold it. And 1. There we go. Wow. Damn, what the fuck? Bro, I don't know what, but we gotta do something here. Like maybe you looking off. Face the right side of your Your bathing suit, like that, yeah. Just like flip. Yeah, come a little bit closer to me, like not so close to the rocks. Yeah, maybe it's like something giving body, like, 'cause I want to like shoot down. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, cute. Yeah, one. Look that way. There we go. Yeah, that's really cute. Bro, this shit is scary. What the ooh, I want to do a video, but I don't know what the fuck I want you to do. I'm like, whoa, there's a lot right now. There's a lot to look at. There we go, yeah. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute. Walk along the rocks, like start back over there and then walk towards me. Yes, yeah, keep going. And then you're gonna walk, ready, 3, 2, and 1. And now cut it this way. Oh, dead one too. That boy got ate by some birds. Yeah, let's go back over this way, man. And right here, on this patch of grass, I'm gonna get that as your background. Stand this patch of grass, right here. There you go. And something that's like that, like to a side. Yeah, there you go. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Hold it, yep. And one, hold it. And one. There you go. Whew. Okay. Check these out. Come on. Yeah, there we go. These colors all go together too.
Stop, stop. What? It's the smile.
Oh, no, I'm wearing color.
Please don't laugh at me. Care.
Yep. Now lock in, get face, yep. Yeah, there you go. Yep, hold it up. Hold it. Foreground with the gun, background, y'all. Yep, hold each one. Yep. That's cute. Don't move, don't move. And one. Oh, yeah, it's cute.
Crabs are coming to get me.
No, they're not. And one. A lot of detail shots, you guys. I'm like really far zoomed out. Yes, eye contact. And one. Bet.
Alright, the crabs are coming to get me.
Get away from them.
I just want to go. Just ring that page.
Thank you guys so much for watching, man. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know down below what else you guys want to see me do, especially with Jules, and where other places you guys want me to travel. Until next time, tag food.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.